Hey guys, welcome to another math video. For this video, I'll be going over order of operations. You'd be surprised at how many people don't know the order of operations, so they get lots of problems wrong because they rely on a basic calculator that also doesn't know how to do order of operations. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so basically that's all we're doing. Okay, so the order of operations is the specific order that we do math problems in, and we'll go through an example. You'll see what the order is that we do it in, and you'll see why we do it in this order. Well, maybe not why, but you'll see what order we do math problems in. Okay, so you've probably seen something like this, PEMDAS, but I think it's more appropriate like this. And you'll see why when I explain. Okay, so let's go through each of these letters, see what they are. So the first one is P, and that stands for parentheses. And basically, if you see any parentheses, you want to do any operation in the parentheses first. That's the basic gist of it. So it's always the parentheses first, ranks highest on our list. Okay, next we have E, which is our exponents. And you want to do the exponents after parentheses. If you see exponents inside of parentheses, then they would take precedence of any operations inside of parentheses. Okay, next we have MD, and that's your multiplication and division. So multiplication and division really is at the same level. You don't do one before the other. You can do them, whichever one you see first when you go left to right in your problem. It's not, oh, I gotta do multiplication first, or and then I gotta do division after that. You can do whichever one you see as you go left to right. And finally we have A and S, so this is our addition and subtraction. So again, addition and subtraction, they're both at the same level. So you do whichever one you see first going left to right. Okay? It's not A is first, so I gotta do addition first, and then subtraction. It's, addition and subtraction. You can do it at the same time. So let's take a look at an example. Okay, so we're gonna simplify this expression. Notice there's no equal sign, that's why it's an expression. Following order of operations. So we got parentheses was our first thing. So I got two sets of parentheses, so we're going to do this one first. So inside the parentheses, you see we got subtraction and division. So division we do before subtraction, so we'll take care of this first. Okay, so 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now we'll finish up this set of parentheses here by just doing the subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so that takes care of that parentheses. So even though there's a parentheses here, there's nothing left to do in it. And in this case, this means multiplication. But multiplication is a little bit further down our list, and we have another set of parentheses here, so we're going to do this first. So we'll just simplify this. 30 minus 27, that's 3. And since there's nothing else left to do in that parentheses, we can take it away. Okay, we can't take this away because this is attached to the 5. And, writing parentheses like this is another way to write multiplication. So we'll leave those parentheses there like that. Okay, so next on our list, after parentheses is exponents, and we have an exponent here. So we do that next. Okay, so we just evaluate 2 to the 4th. And if you've seen my video on exponents, the basics, you'll know that 2 to the 4th means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we evaluate that, and that should give us 16. Right, so now here I got subtraction, multiplication, and addition. So multiplication takes precedence over addition and subtraction, so we do this first. That'll simplify to 10. Now we have subtraction and addition, and remember, that's at the same level, so we can do this all at once. So 16 minus 10 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Alright? And that is the basics for order of operations. Now your basic calculator has no order of operations. So it's going to take all your inputs one at a time. Okay? So if you did this in your calculator, it would give you a totally different answer from here. So just watch out for that. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. That's what we did. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.